Good morning, guys. Thanks for tuning in to another video for my channel, Undercover Michigan. It's been a while since I put one up. Last week I had to be away, so I didn't really get any pictures or videos too much. I'm really the only one that films anything, takes pictures of stuff. So if I'm away, unfortunately, there's not going to be a lot of content for that time period. But I'm back now, so I plan on getting a lot of videos and pictures of things, posting them to the Instagram and Facebook page if you follow those. If you don't, please do. I post some pictures and stuff on there that you won't see on the YouTube channel, so check those out. And yeah, this video have a lot of stuff in it. So this morning, come out here, got the pivot motor all hooked up, got the PTO shaft hooked up, got the guard on, got the fuel lines, all that stuff, and got her moved a little ways just to make sure it all worked. But come out here and looks like dang coons or woodchucks or something decided to chew off all of our line that we had, so that's what I'm doing now. All right, there we go, all hooked back up. My plug went somewhere that way. Luckily, it didn't get too far. And that's poison ivy, so we don't want to touch that. And now my phone's ringing. So we're gonna let that run for a while so I can put the plug back in with some pipe thread dope on it. I guess sounds like Storm is done with his spray trailer, or he's at least got it empty. So we gotta go fetch that, get it back to the farm, refill it, take that back to him so he can keep spraying. There goes Bill. Get Storm another load, and that truck goes back to the farm, get reloaded. All right, made it back to Pivot. All we gotta do here is put some dope on this plug, some thread sealant. Mainly this is to keep it from rusting in the pipe. If that happens, it's a pain to get out of there. Don't really care if it leaks a little bit, but this will help it also not leak. There we go. So for those of you who don't know what this contraption is, it's called a center pivot, and basically its entire job is to water this field. So you have a sprinkler in your garden. This is basically a sprinkler for one of our fields. We don't have many of these. I think we only have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them now, and 3 of those are all in the same field. So what it does is it's got little motors on here that spin a shaft that turn these wheels, and there's sensors up there that sense how far away like the next tower is from this one, and then once that sensor gets switched, then this set of wheels will start moving, and so on and so forth down the line. It's pretty simple idea. The main problem with these things is sometimes they'll get out of whack, and say like the next tower up there will go too far, and then this one can't move, so you end up with a pivot that does one of these things. That's not good. People have tipped these over, not sure how, but it happens. And then there's a boot up there that connects this pipe and that pipe. When those end up breaking and causing a leak, that's a pain in the butt to change those. But really, it's a pretty low maintenance item. Got her all cleaned up, greased, ready to go in the barn, and that's where it'll sit all winter till next spring. All right, so we got the planter and tractor backed in the barn here where it's gonna sit all winter. Got the jack down, got the hitch off the tractor hitch here. Pull the pin out, pin goes there. Now all we gotta do is unhook all these lines. All right, so all the hoses and wires and everything are unhooked from the planter to the tractor. There's a lot of them. All that stuff gets hooked up to the tractor before planting season starts, and it all has to get unhooked. And now I gotta coil these hoses or wires up, make them look nice. Goodbye, planter.